What's going on, guys? Welcome to Stock Talk with Nico Criticos. Today, we're taking a look at Kohls stock because the stock just fell over 17% today after a bunch of bad news came out. So, if we look here, we can see that the shares are trading down because of worse than expected Q3 EPS and sales, cut its fiscal 24 guidance, and projected a net sales decrease of 7 to 8%. If we look at the past couple of years for the stock, we can see that Kohls has been suffering really for a while. Their revenue peaked in 2019 when they hit $20 billion of revenue. And since then, it's only been down from there. So it looks like this year they're going to do about 17.4 billion. And analysts have them doing 16 billion. Well, these numbers are off, but 16 billion and then 16 billion again, it looks like next year. So it just has not been a good situation for this stock. And it looks like they're going to have a new CEO coming out. It says the Kohls picks the CEO of Michaels to help turn it around. So hopefully that's a good thing. And I kind of feel like, this kind of feels like roughly 10 years ago when Amazon was kind of taking a lot of market share in e-commerce and people were just shopping online instead of in person. And Kohl's was one of those stores that actually survived that. And so you would think that they would be okay, but it doesn't look like they're having much luck with that. If we look at this company's free cash flow and net income, we can see that it's kind of been bouncing around. It really hasn't been great. 2022 was not bad, but it's really just been struggling in these last couple of years. Net income last year was 317 million, and again, net income has not peaked since 2012 now. You see, so this is just a downhill stock. I don't know if they're going to go out of business or how this is going to work, but look how much debt they have: 183 million in cash only and over 7 billion in debt, not counting capital leases of 5.5 billion. So this company, this is just a mess. I don't know how they're going to come up with. They got to come up with over $12 billion, and they barely have any money. And they've just made a profit of 300 million last year. So I don't really see any. The good thing is they're actually buying back shares somehow. The shares outstanding is somehow going down, but I don't know. At this point, I would say they're either going out of business or the stock's just going to keep going down and they're barely going to stay alive. Maybe somebody buys them out. The market cap's only 1.6 billion. So in terms of like investing in this, I don't think this would be a good investment. I don't see this being a here now. That's priced for going bankrupt pretty much. And so I'm just not seeing a lot of good qualities with this stock. And so I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to pass on this one. But let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.